First thing first, I took a foam board from Dollar Tree, which is just $1.25, in this contact dry erase peel and stick paper from Michael's. That was about $14. And what I did was I literally just peel and sticked it on. I measured it out to see about how much I needed, and this one actually has the grid on the back, so it made it really easy for me to cut it if I needed to use my scissors. But I have a paper cutter, so I just use that instead. Sorry guys, I realized I lost some of the footage where I was actually just peeling and sticking it down, and I think even when I cut it. But yeah, so this is the back that you just peeled off as you go, and you just gotta take your time and go pretty slow, or you can use your Cricut scraper, or just, I think this one's from the Dollar Tree, it was just the first one I grabbed, and just get all the bubbles and imperfections out. And it's really forgiving, and I even had to like pull it up a couple of times and redo it, and because it's going to be completely covered, it didn't matter that I had to do that. However, it didn't actually pull up any of the black foam board either, so that was good. Now with my Cricut, I just went ahead and I cut out a few different things that I wanted on my board, like a calendar. I made a task list, some notes. I also have a countdown and just things that I wanted for our back to school command board. And I got this paper transfer tape off of Amazon, and this is what I use to just grab everything down. It's really forgiving and easy to use. And I think this is a low grade tack transfer tape, so it works really well if you're doing paper crafts or anything like that. Love this.